And this is Eric, and we're singing a song I wrote. It's called Lonely Bird.
Lying on the